Bass notes are usually longer, so that's why I'm only using one note here. And then I'm about to maybe try to add now octave chord here, which is gonna be D5. It's too long, but let's just change it here maybe. I just want to see maybe if I can add two fast notes here. I just want to see what will happen. I don't like this. Never mind. Let's just keep it this way. So this is our main melody. So let's keep this melody here, and now copy and paste. We basically finish the melody, but we want to try to get as many high quality industry sound. And then I want to add piano, and piano, guitar always works. So let's add piano now. Usually I'm always using, you saw me that I've been always using this free from Kontakt. Let's find it. There it is. Other keys. So we just turn the volume up. And then now I want to add chords over this melody. So this is like a leading melody, and then I want just to do, not this. Then I just want to follow. So you can hear, you can see basically the notes here. Let's do this. Just copy and paste. Something like this. Just like a copy. You can just basically copy every note here. But I want to keep it very simple, but maybe I can add some dark here, piano. And then I got these chords here. And then I want to now upgrade a little bit. Maybe I just want to see what will happen if I add maybe a few counter notes of the piano. So let's see what will happen, how the melody will change. So as you can see, I'm just saying randomly things. Yeah, I think this sounds cool. Sounds cool. We need to keep this like this. This is, I think, piano. Let's just now I just want to add one more guitar. I'm about to test these free sound from the guitars, and let's see how they will fit into this production. Let's just test these notes here with this main guitar, with this new guitar sound. Just test how this will sound. Are they any better? But as you can see, they are pretty much the same. I think I can use this one. And then I want to add now this electric guitar here. I think it's gonna be fit super cool here. But maybe I just want to, I don't want to add that much notes here. Let's maybe just add a few. Okay, this was kind of too deep, so I want to add high pitch notes here. I already knew what I was doing here. Okay, I just want to keep it very simple like this. Okay, so now, as you can see, I'm already at the 3 sounds. Usually, Omnisphere got some kind of, it's pretty cool to add some like background noises or something like that. Okay, I also wanted to add some bells here as well. Yo, George, can you just mute a little bit? It's too much noise coming.
Yeah.
Appreciate that, bro. It's like some noise, but it's cool. Okay, so now I want to try to add some this background sound. I mean, this is not even close to the over because we are about to do more like a manipulating and converting and doing some effects and craziness after we make everything here. Let's just see what we have. I didn't use this for a long time, so maybe let's see. I don't even know where I can find these anymore, but maybe something like this. I just want to see how this will fit. Let's turn off this bass. Okay, this is the bass. I'm not sure how this will fit, but maybe this. Maybe just at the beginning. Enough, pretty enough. I want to try the bells now here. Let's test this one. Maybe I can try to add maybe even more counter melody, but something faster again for the bells. So maybe this can be like a mild counter melody. So as you can see what I'm doing here, I'm just copying the notes that I already played here. This is too fast. I just want something slower. Okay, I like this. So I'm just going to copy and paste. Maybe put them, go a little bit down. I'll put this one here. Sounds super fire. And then there's also, as you can see, you can see, I added tons of sounds here. And then in the end, I just want to add maybe some guitar, some violin or flute here. But let's start with the violin first. In Kontakt, it's pretty cool because you got some like violins that will play like, I know, a few notes for you, but they will be still in key. Okay. This is now too much, so let's export everything and let's try to make the melody now full melody. Okay, so now when you have like tons of these sounds, let's now determine like let's now make one sound from 2 sounds, for example. So what I can do, I want maybe to try to combine to make like one sound, this piano and this guitar here. So now I'm about to just play a little bit of the mix here. Can you see piano? So I want to give them more power for the guitar, but for the piano, just to give that, just a little bit, like pads, just like to be in the background. So I'm about to make it more stereo. Now I want to add halftime here on this guitar. So actually I want to see how this will sound, not this one. I want to add halftime just to see how this will react. But now when you add halftime, make sure like maybe you can like pitch up everything, because when you add halftime, it's going to be like a much deeper, So I want to pitch everything up for 1 octave here.